My name's Alena Pepina and I live in Latvia. I want to recommend for you amazing course which is done by Academy Private Investor, Profi Investor and Investment Consultant. Profi Investor 3 course for me was big eye-opener because on this course we've been learning about diversification. And why I want to recommend you these courses because we are living in the world when every people are start investing because we are start raising our awareness that we need to invest. And diversification is really important start for you because there are different market segments, different regions. And by doing this, of course, you can create your portfolio wider and you can see how money can work for you every single year. I definitely recommend all of you to pass these courses, even if you never invested, because through these courses, you will realize you've been missing out so much. I already created my own portfolio. Have you? If you haven't, start learning and start implementing everything what you learn. Thank you.